due to my stupidity, I have to re-record this intro. But anyways, hey guys, Cole here. So, new camera setup. Hopefully this is better than last time. I'm using my phone again, but it's a new phone. It's better now. And I'm color grading because I'm learning some new stuff. But yeah, so CustomNPCs has needed a replacement or a big update for a while, and it hasn't gotten either of those until I discovered there is a replacement, and it's just better. It is literally CustomNPCs, but with all of the boring NPC stuff ripped out, and it's just for thumbnail making. It's great. So let me show you. Allow me to introduce you to this on Modrinth. This is such an amazing mod. It is basically CustomNPCs if it was made just for thumbnails. So let me show you how this works. We're gonna open up Minecraft. You're gonna need Fabric 1.20.1, as you can see here. You're gonna need the Fabric API as well as just that mod. All the links for that will be in the description. We're gonna open up Minecraft. All right, and we are in Minecraft. Just open up a world. I have a world already made for this. I was on just testing some things a little while ago. All right, here we are in the world. So looks normal. Nothing's too. Well, that's on fire. I don't know what's up with that. That's a shame. So if we go into our inventory here, we go to page number 2. Here is the stuff for the mod. So we have the NPC wand. This is the main tool you'll be using. We're just gonna right click. It's very similar to CustomNPCs. It just has a really clean UI. This is a nice UI. So here's how we do this. So first thing we want to do is change the skin. Obviously we can change it to ours, and it's super easy to do that. All you have to do is click download skin, put in the player name. In this case I'll do me again. We already have me over here, but we'll do me. Do my name, and this will just be the name that comes up if you search for the name. But right here you want to put your IGN. Sorry, that was really confusing wording. I'm so sorry. So after that you just want to click download. Alright, and there we go. We have my skin. Don't worry, we'll fix the 3 pixel arms in a minute. All you have to do is go back after you've selected the skin, then go on to type, click slim player. There we go. We got 3 pixel arms now. We can even add a cape. This you could do in CustomNPCs, but it was not easy. So all we have to do now is go to Minecraft, and then here we have a bunch of the default capes. This is a little outdated. There's a couple I couldn't find here, but this does have most of them. So I'm pretty pleased about that. So we'll just do migrator cape just to have a cape, because we couldn't do that as easily before. Then we also have things like sneak. You can make it easily crouch. We couldn't really easily crouch. We'd have to manually position everything if we wanted it to look like they were crouching. So now we can just do that by one button. We also have hurt, so we don't have to Photoshop the hurt look. And then we also have breathe, which just like does the kind of static breathing animation that the player has. So then we have some other things like rotation. We can literally rotate this any axis we want. I'm gonna reset that. You can also type in the numbers here if you want to just manually set them. We can also move them by multiple blocks pretty easily just with this. And then the scales for the overall size of the character. So now for the stuff you probably wanted to see, the posing. So the posing, I don't know why they're named like this, but the posing is great, let me tell you. So if we click on left arm here, for example, we have rotation, but we also have position. I can't remember if we had position in CustomNPCs or not, but the position thing is amazing. So this basically lets us do posing like the Minecraft trailers. I don't know if you know, but their legs and arms are a little offset on the body. I don't really have this posing memorized, but I can kind of show you what I mean with like the leg here. In Minecraft trailers, so you set 0.0 again. I think the Y, so the legs move up a little bit, and the Z, like this, and it's rotated like that. You know what I mean? I got the animations like that. It needs to be down a little more. Maybe crazy, but I think I. So pretty much, it is just like CustomNPCs. We can just rotate everything like we're used to. It's the same as, you know, CustomNPCs. It's not hard to get used to or anything, and this is what I'll definitely be using, but this isn't the only reason that we're using this, so let me show you some other things you can do with this mod. There are dogs barking outside my window. So once you've got your pose decided, I know this isn't a good pose. I don't feel like posing right now. So once you're done though, click finalize, and here we go. We have our NPC, just like CustomNPCs. We even got a cape. That's pretty cool. And now let me show you the other things you can do with this mod that make it so amazing. So if we press F7 right here, we get this little screenshot GUI, and we press 4 and then press take screenshot. you'll see it'll erase the background. Watch this, watch this. Keep watching. Okay, it's a little slow. I don't know why this is taking so long. Oh. Okay. Okay. Give it a little bit. Oh. Okay, that was not supposed to happen. Hold on. Guys, this is important. Go to installations. Go to your installation here. Click on edit, and then down here in more options. And then down here in the more options, make sure you up your gigabytes of RAM here. That is why I had that issue earlier. So I'm gonna set it to 16 since my computer has 32 gigabytes. And let's try that again. Okay, we're back in attempt number 2. Here we go. So you're gonna press F7, click 4. This will basically make the screenshot higher quality. And you're just gonna press take screenshot. Watch this. Gets rid of the background for you. Okay, okay. And then, hold on. This is a really weirdly slow process for it not doing that much work. I don't know why it's so slow. Okay, and then look, green screen version, and then that's it. And it was kind of anticlimactic, but there we go. Your screenshots have been processed. So now if we were to go to our screenshots folder, so here in my screenshots folder, we now have 2 screenshots. Check this out. Transparent version with the skin just on it. We don't have to like cut it out with the pen tool as I'm shown a million times in my tutorials. No more of that. And then we also have just the background here without the skin. Is this not the most like insane mod ever? So yeah, that is the highlight of the mod. For me, it's mainly the screenshot thing. The posing is really good too. You can do a little bit more than you can in CustomNPCs, but besides that, I mean, this makes for a pretty good CustomNPCs replacement in terms of making Minecraft thumbnails. Of course, CustomNPCs isn't just made for making Minecraft thumbnails, it's made for a lot more things than that, but that's how I like to use it. And this is just CustomNPCs, but for Minecraft thumbnails. But that is all for today. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!